Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you Proverbs part 4 for higher secondary students. We shall continue the rest. We shall see the next 101. Never touch the depth of water with both feet. If you are in water with both feet down, you risk being swept away. You risk being swept away by the currents. The message is, don't put all your eggs in the same basket. Think twice before placing all your bets and investments on one thing. Example, while applying to colleges, don't limit yourself only to those with high cutoff marks. Never test the depth of the water with both feet. 102. No gain without pain. It's necessary to suffer or work hard in order to succeed or make progress. Example, you have to drastically reduce the time you spend on video games and TV if you want to get admission in a good college. No gain without pain. 103. No news is good news. If you don't receive any news about someone or something, it means that everything is fine and going normally. Example, my daughter has been working in Australia for nearly 5 years now. At first, I used to get worried when I didn't hear from her, but now I know that no news is good news. 104. Once bitten, twice shy. You say this proverb when someone won't do something a second time because they had bad experience the first time. Example, I won't try this drink because last time I had a burning sensation in my throat. Once bitten, twice shy, I guess. 105. One man's junk is another man's treasure. What may seem to be junk to one person may be valuable to another person. So example, I sold my 6-year-old laptop for little amount, but I am sure the buyer will make hefty profit on it by refurbishing and selling it to someone else. One man's junk is another man's treasure after all. 106. One shouldn't miss forest for the trees. Sometimes you get so focused on small details that you may miss the larger context. So example, the marketers got so bogged down on creating the perfect ad campaign that they didn't realize that the medium, that is the Facebook they wanted to use, was no longer a viable option because of its recent algorithm updates. 107. Out of sight, out of mind. If someone or something is not seen for a long time, it will be forgotten. Example, many celebrities find a way to appear in media because they know that out of sight is out of mind. 108. Pen is mightier than sword. Thinking and writing have more influence on people and events than use of force. Example, after the mass killings at the newspaper office, there is a protest which is happening in the city declaring support to the paper and proving that pen is mightier than sword. Mightier here means stronger. 109. People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones at others. People who have faults should not criticize other people for having the same faults. Example, the main political party in the opposition has blamed the ruling party for giving tickets to people with dubious background in the upcoming elections. But the big question is, are they themselves clean on this count? People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones at others. 110. Persuasion is better than force. You can achieve better results through persuasion than through coercion, than through giving much force. Example, after many futile, that means useless attempts by the government, farmers finally agreed to acquisition of their land on the promise of economic development of the area. That's why it is said persuasion is better than force. 111. Practice makes perfect. Doing something over and over makes one better at it. So example, you can't expect to master guitar in 2 months. You have to keep at it for several months, as practice makes perfect. 112. Practice what you preach. Behave the way you encourage other people to behave. Example, you keep telling us to go for a jog in the morning, but I wish you would practice what you preach. 113. Rome wasn't built in a day. Important work takes time to complete. Example, you can't expect her to finish such a complex project in a week. Rome wasn't built in a day. 114. Silence is half consent. If you don't object to what someone says or does, you may be assumed to agree to some extent. Example, he didn't say anything to my proposal of going for a picnic on the weekend. I believe he is not saying no. Silence is half consent. 115. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and consistent work leads to better chance of success than quick work in spurts. So X is asking, I have built a strong vocabulary by learning a word a day for the last 3 years. Then Y is saying, mine has been much less, even though I have had days when I polished off 10 words. I guess slow and steady wins the race. 116. Still waters run deep. If a person doesn't speak much, it doesn't mean they lack depth or are uninteresting. Example, she is one of the smartest persons in the organization. She may not talk much, but still waters run deep. 117. Strike while the iron is hot. Take advantage of an opportunity as soon as it comes along. Example, I thought over the job offer. I got way too long. Now it has been offered to someone else. I should have struck while the iron was hot. 118. The best laid plans go astray. Despite best preparations, things may not go your way. Example, X is saying, I had everything covered for this project, but now I am told that the project can't go ahead because the company is planning an organizational restructuring. Y is saying, well, that's unfortunate, but sometimes the best laid plans go astray. 119. The end justifies the means. A desired result is so important that any method, even a morally bad one, may be used to achieve it. Example is campaigning with illegal funds on the theory that if he wins the election, the end will justify the means. 120. The harder you work, the luckier you get. The harder you work, the more good ideas and chances you may make for yourself. Example, many think he got lucky in getting that fat contract, but few know he had been pursuing dozens of such contracts for several weeks. The harder you work, the luckier you get. 121. The grass is greener on the other side of the fence. People are never satisfied with their own situation. They always think others have it better. Example, you see X is saying, when I see him post all those travel pictures on Instagram, I feel he has the perfect life. So Y is saying, it's usually not like that in real life. I'm sure he too has his share of problems. I see your thought is as grass being greener on the other side of the fence. 122. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. You can only judge the quality of something after you have tried, used or experienced it. Example, X is saying, marketers have claimed that this weight loss diet produces strong results in just 2 months. Then Y is saying, well, I'll reserve my opinion till I have tried it myself. After all, proof of pudding is in the eating. 123. There are more ways than one to skin a cat. There is more than one way to reach the same goal. So example, we can get around that by renting instead of buying the delivery van. There is more than one way to skin a cat. 124. There is no time like the present. The best time to do something is right now. So act now. Example, don't wait until New Year to change your bad habits. There is no time like the present. 125. There is safety in numbers. A group offers more protection than when you are on your own. Example, her parents won't allow her to date, but do let her go to parties, saying there is safety in numbers. So dear students, hope you have understood up to this. We shall continue the rest in the next class. Thank you.